Hi everyone! So using that same paper, we're going to start drawing the eyes like half moons. Then I'm going to draw the shape of my face and I'm going to mark the middle in between my eyes to make the top of my head. Now that I have my eyes, I'm going to make the irises and then I'm going to make the bridge of my nose. Use a mirror to help you see the shape of your eyebrows. Start with tracing the lines and then I connect them together. Now I'm making the hair. I'm thinking about the texture of my hair, if it's curly, if it's wavy, if it's straight. Now we're going to create the bottom part. That's the part that's going to be the face and the mask. So you can make a dot and connect the corners. You're going to make the bridge of your nose and a curvy line to make your mask. And then you're just going to complete the rest of your drawing. So complete the hair, make a neck, and then you can create a nice design for your mask, something that speaks about yourself. For me, since I'm an artist, I'm going to create and draw art on my mask. And I'm going to put some wavy lines, some dots, just to decorate it. Now, you can do your portrait being imaginative, so you can imagine what your face looks like or what you want to look like. See, I'm using crayons in this drawing and I'm just drawing from my imagination. I'm drawing the bridge of my nose and my eyes and I'm using all different colors because that's how I imagine myself. You can take inspiration from some of the artists that you just saw. Remember, the first part of the paper is just for the eyes, for the top of your hair and from the bridge of your nose. And the under part is for your mask, the bottom of your ears, your neck, and your hair if you have very long hair. And you can start and decorate it. You can go crazy on it. I'm creating some pigtails for myself because I like using pigtails, or maybe braids. I don't know. You can go and create your own character. Now I'm aligning my drawing. See, I want the bridge of my nose to appear a little big. I created two different ones. This first one is a representative drawing portrait. See, it looks a little bit more like me. Now we're going to draw inside of my face. So we're going to try to match the same place. Look, I created a little dot, boop, to make the corner border of my face. And then I'm going to complete it. Look. I'm making the ears and my hair. I'm doing a little bit different than what it was in the front. Making my nose and a smile and a little chin. And now we're gonna make the neck. And if you want, you can decorate it however you want. Maybe you want to put some shirt on. Maybe you want to put some sweater on. I'm creating kind of like a sweater with hearts and some X's. Working on your imaginative one, you can do the same. You want to match the bottom of your face. So I'm going to complete my drawing too. I'm going to make the bottom of my face. I'm going to make a big smile. And I'm going to match the same color on my nose and maybe the inside of my nose. And I'm going to paint my cheeks. Maybe you can make some teeth. I don't know. It's your creation, your portrait. How do you imagine yourself? And remember to make the neck too. And you want them to be on the same place. So I use the eyes to guide me and make the line under the eyes. And then you can decorate inside however you want. Now take a look. I have two different ones. And now that you have your design ready, you can start and write down those words that describe yourself. I'm using some different words in this one, like kind, smart, brave. You can add the words that best describe yourself all around. But remember, you're only writing it on these two parts. So when you open, you can see the words that are inside, like you're taking your mask out. Now I messed up a little bit over there. So I painted over with the same color and used it as my background. You can paint it using the colors that you like the best or the colors that represent yourself. You can match the colors of your hair, of your eyes, of your mouth, and of your skin too. And remember to take your time. This video is a little bit fast, but I took my time to color in inside the lines. done coloring the front, remember to match the same colors you used in the front, inside as well. And you should be done. That's it.